Instant noodles begin in wheat fields, where grain quality determines texture, strength, and consistency.
Efficient grain transfer keeps instant noodles production moving without delays or contamination risks. Protected transportation preserves wheat quality before conversion into instant noodles flour. From harvested wheat to storage silos, instant noodles production officially enters the industrial stage.
Wheat arrives at specialized mills, where instant noodles flour quality begins to take shape. Moisture control is critical for producing stable flour used in instant noodles manufacturing.
Flour testing ensures instant noodles achieve proper bite, elasticity, and cooking stability.
With milling complete, instant noodles production moves from grain processing to dough formation. Measured flour feeding ensures instant noodles dough begins with precise ratios and reliable consistency.
Kneading develops gluten strength essential for elastic instant noodle strands.
Thickness control guarantees instant noodles cook evenly and maintain consistent bite.
With dough sheets perfected, instant noodles production advances toward cutting and shaping.
Precision cutting transforms flat dough sheets into uniform instant noodle strands at incredible speed.
Starch gelatinization defines instant noodles texture, ensuring springiness after final preparation.
Real-time inspection guarantees instant noodles uniformity before drying or frying begins.
cutting, shaping, and steaming complete instant noodles transformation from dough to structure.
Flash frying rapidly removes moisture, giving instant noodles long shelf life and fast rehydration.
Precise moisture reduction ensures instant noodle stability and prevents microbial growth.
Controlled cooling prevents condensation that could damage instant noodles during packaging.
Drying and frying finalize instant noodles readiness for seasoning and final packaging.
Seasoning formulation defines the signature taste that makes instant noodles instantly recognizable.
Visual inspection ensures instant noodles meet strict appearance and structural standards.
Batch tracking allows instant noodles manufacturers to trace quality across the entire supply chain. With flavor perfected and safety confirmed, instant noodles move confidently toward packaging. Accurate portioning ensures every instant noodle serving delivers consistent value and nutrition.
Sealing locks instant noodles' freshness while preventing moisture and oxygen contamination.
Final visual inspection ensures instant noodles packaging meets strict retail standards.
With packaging complete, instant noodles are ready for storage, shipping, and global distribution. Climate control protects instant noodles quality before distribution begins across global markets. Inventory systems provide instant noodles manufacturers full visibility across supply chains.
From factory to ports, instant noodles travel through integrated global logistics networks.
From harvested wheat to boiling water, instant noodles complete their global food journey.